Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today we will learn how to add live scoreboard widget on Blogger. So let's quickly move on to widget. I'll put the widget link in the video description. So here is the code for this widget. We will copy the code and move to the back end of our website. So here we will paste the code and save it. Save it from here also. Now let's see the website if the widget is successfully installed or not. So here you can see the scoreboard is successfully installed. The purpose of these kinds of widgets is to improve the SEO of our website. So that's all from today's video. We will inshallah meet in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye.